हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल? होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आप लोगों ने अपनी शिफ्ट देखी? ये था मेरा फिर से पिछले बार की तरह शिफ्ट वन ही था, एंड वो सेम सेंटर जहाँ पे पहले था। बट आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस टुडे CDC Flexi 14 mock, where I got a pretty good marks, but not in VRC as always. So let's quickly discuss about that. And one more very important thing is, after discussing marks for all the three sections, I will be asking some of the questions that I want to get answered by you all. So I will be asking some questions, and I would love if you could share your answers, your thoughts in the comment section. So let's come back to the main topic. We were discussing about VRC score. So here I attempted 14 questions. 7 were from VA part and rest of them were from RC section, where I attempted 2 RC, but somehow left one question because I was not sure about the answer, and the same happened in VA section. That's why I attempted only 7 VA questions. So here I got 7 of them correct, and the score here is 16 marks only, which is very bad. So let's move to the DLR section, where I attempted 12 questions and I got 11 of them correct. So I got overall 33 marks in DLR section. This means the question that I got wrong here was of theta type. That's why I did not accounted for a negative marking. So it's a good marks for DLR, I would say. I attempted 3 sets of 4 questions each here. At the time of mock, once I thought that I should attempt a set having 5 questions, but I don't know what my mind suggested me there. So I left that and tried only the sets having 4 questions each. So that was it for this mock in DLR section. Now let's move to QA section, where I think I could have scored more because I attempted 11 questions and only 8 of them were correct. 3 of them were wrong, and I got 23 marks overall in QA. But honestly speaking, what I feel in this section was I could have attempt more number of questions if I had managed time properly, because there were more doable questions in this section. So that was all, and here I got 72 marks overall. I don't know what percentile it would face today at night, but let's see. Now the main thing that I wanted to discuss with you all, that have you ever felt anxiety, like आप सोना चाह रहे हो बट सो नहीं पा रहे हो, अकबक लग रहा है, कुछ कुछ तो हो रहा है, आप नहीं सो पा रहे हो, या सिर्फ सोने की बात नहीं है, ऐसे भी आप कुछ नहीं ओवर थिंक करना चाह रहे हो, बट आप ऐसा हो जा रहा है कि आप कुछ कुछ मतलब कुछ अच्छा सोच भी नहीं पा रहे हो. I don't know how to explain that feeling, but if you guys have ever experienced this, then you must understand my feeling here. So I want to know that at that time जब ऐसा फील होता है तब क्या करते हो, मुझे इसका आंसर चाहिए. How you overcome this feeling? एंड सिर्फ यही नहीं, और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है यार, मतलब सिर्फ एंजाइटी नहीं, बहुत ओवर थिंकिंग या सेल्फ डाउट. जैसे लग रहा हो कि मैंने यार इतना बहुत कुछ कर लिया, अपना 100% दे रहा हूँ, फिर भी नहीं हो पा रहा है, या मॉक में मार्क्स अच्छे नहीं आ पा रहे जिनके. तो ऐसे टाइम पे क्या करते हो, मैं बस आंसर जानना चाहता हूँ सबके, क्योंकि हो सकता है किसी का अप्रोच बहुत अच्छा हो जो और भी लोगों को हेल्प कर दे, मुझे भी और जो भी कमेंट सेक्शन देखे. तो आई वुड लव इफ़ यू कुड आंसर माई क्वेश्चंस. So that was it for today. Bye bye everyone, and thank you for watching my videos.